Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I thought I'd just give you guys a quick update on where the Track Evo 8 is currently at. Unfortunately, I developed a couple little issues with the car. That's why I haven't been posting a lot of videos on the Evo 8. I took it for a drive one day just to get the fluids running, and then the car suddenly just stalled on me. So it wasn't a mechanical fault, it wasn't misfiring or jerking, it just straight out just cut, like it lost signal. So yeah, the car's just been sitting here for about a month now while I'm trying to figure everything out. I've been doing a lot of research on the forums and stuff like that, and I've found 3 issues with the Evo motors, the 4G63s. I've found that the exhaust cam sensor plays up, obviously because it's so close to the exhaust manifold that it just gets too hot, and I've got a hypertune exhaust manifold that's wrapped. But yeah, the OEM one has a heat shield on it, so obviously this is still getting pretty hot. The second thing that plays up on these are the crank sensors. So this wire here runs down all the way down to the bottom behind the crankshaft pulley. So that runs like a trigger system. So that plays up there. And then the third thing that plays up on these cars is the idle control solenoid at the back of the throttle body there. So yeah, I'm gonna start just replacing some of these sensors here, even if it doesn't fix it, just for the fact that just for the fact that they're really old in the age. So I'm gonna start by replacing the exhaust cam sensor. So it looks like it's just a 10mm bolt right there, and then that just comes out, unplug it of course, and then put a new one in, and hopefully it fixes the problem. And then yeah, if that doesn't fix it, then I'll go on and replace the crankshaft sensor here. So obviously all this has to come out, so the cover, the mount, the power steering pump, the pulleys. So I've done the timing belt on this before, so it doesn't really faze me. I can probably smash that out. But the only thing that I don't want to touch is the idle control solenoid, because I've heard a couple of guys that have replaced that have had erratic idle issues after putting a new one in, whether it's too low, too high, up and down. Not too sure if you need a scan tool to actually reinitialize that to let the ECU know that it's got a new sensor in it. So that's the last thing that I want to kind of touch, because then you're going to need a scan tool, I believe. So yeah, that's where the Evo 8 is currently at. That's why I haven't been posting a lot of videos on it. So yeah, just been a bit busy. But yeah, I'm going to start ordering some parts now. I'm going to start ordering the cam sensor first, and hopefully it fixes the problem. I'll do it because I love my Evo 8 and I love my cars. But you got to pay to play, they say. So don't forget to check out my other videos. Don't forget to check out all my events that I cover. If you want to see more on the Evo 8 track build, you're going to have to like and subscribe. Tell all your mates, and I'll see you guys at the next video.